Welcome to the Glamry Shop. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Glamry Shop. I'm Sophia and I'm going to be showing you how to create a fabulous wardrobe and magazine-worthy home, one upcycle at a time. Today I'm going to be giving you one crucial tip on how you can step up your upcycle game. Stay tuned. So the number one thing that you need to make sure that you have in your upcycle repertoire on hand, ready to go at all times, jeans. Jeans. You need to have jeans like you have money. Jeans, throwing them everywhere. Anyways, I digress. Jeans are the number one thing that you need to have always in your upcycle. Light denim, dark denim, less stretch denim. We'll go into that. But I mean, light denim, dark denim, in between medium washes, you need to have them all on hand because jeans are so versatile. I mean, you can use them for purses, for wall art. I mean, there is literally, like, you can make pouches. I made makeup bags. You can make all kind of things with jeans. The point is, you literally can use jeans for anything, like for binding around shirts, for pockets. I mean, now, I'm not about to send you into the thrift store or to garage sale, a yard sale, estate sale unprepared. I have 5 tips that you can use to make sure you secure the jeans that you need to put into your upcycle kit. Okay, guys, tip number 1. When you go to look for the jeans, I feel like it is natural to start at whatever size it is that you wear. Mistake. Go to the largest size that you can find and start there. The goal is to get more fabric for your money. So if you are looking at, for instance, the women's sizes, and say you wear a size 10 or you wear a size 12 and you start there, you're missing 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, sometimes 26, depending on how far, wherever you are, thrift store or wherever you are, carries. You're missing a whole variety of sizes that you can look at where you can get more for your money. Start at the largest sizes. Be aware though, as you go to the larger sizes, typically manufacturers insert more stretch into those jeans. So you do have to look out for that, but you're missing, because sometimes you need stretched fabric or stretch denim for whatever project that you're using. Especially if you're making apparel or something like that, go to the larger sizes. If you didn't know, now you know. Tip number 2. You want to look at the fabric content of the jeans that you get. Like I mentioned in step number 1, when you start going to the larger sizes, what you'll notice is there is a lot of spandex and there's a lot of polyester inserted into those jeans. That's not really good for you because typically jeans with the higher spandex polyester counts in their fabric contents are not going to hold up well for your projects. They're going to deteriorate fast. Usually they fade a little bit faster. What you want is 100% cotton jeans. They're a little bit harder to find, especially in women wear, but they'll be well worth it. They will hold up very well, especially when you're doing projects that are not apparel based. When you're doing projects that are more home decor based, you really want to go for 100% cotton fabric counts. Now, what you want to look at though, I would say up to 10% of so 10% polyester, 10% spandex, or sometimes you'll see 8% polyester, 2% spandex. That's all good. That kind of stuff is going to have a little bit of stretch to it, but it's not going to be very much. And those things tend to hold up better. So definitely look at your fabric contents when you're looking at your tags. Okay, tip number 3. Don't just limit yourself to women's wear. Go to the men's section. Go to the kids section. Go to the teenager section, the junior section. Don't just look at women's stuff just because, okay, that's what I wear if you're a lady. Or a man, if you're just a man, go to the women's wear. If you're a woman, go to the men's wear. Thing about it is, Most men's stuff is 100% cotton. They don't typically have any stretch in their stuff. So a lot of their things are going to be 100% cotton. And I guarantee you, you will probably get a better deal price-wise if you go to the men's stuff. Take advantage of other sections. Okay, tip number 4. Look for signs of wear and tear on your jeans. This cannot be under or overstated. I promise you. When you are looking at women's jeans, the number one place where they're going to be worn out and it's going to corrupt how much fabric you're going to get from that purchase is in between the legs, especially when you get into the higher sizes. That area tends to be worn through at a higher rate. When you are getting men's jeans, you want to look especially at the thigh, upper thigh, and knee area, because that is where a lot of times their wear and tear is going to happen. And a lot of staining, I found, happens at those points when it comes to the men's stuff, because that is stuff that you cannot cut around. And it's going to take up so much of the jean fabric that you have that's not even going to be worth the purchase. Okay, guys, we're at tip number 5. And this one is one that is near and dear to my heart. It's about my money. Listen, I cannot tell you what a good deal is for you. For me, anything over $5, I'm not going to touch it. Okay? Listen, they have price tags in there for $12.99, $9.99, $19.99, $20.99, $25.99. Listen, I am doing this for an upcycle. I am not going to pay more than $5. Listen, if you don't watch these thrift stores, these yard sales, these estate sales, if you don't watch them, they will try to get over on you. I am not paying more than $5 for a pair of jeans, period. Done. Like, no more. Not never. The reason is, it's not worth it, okay? When you think about the projects that you're going to be doing with these jeans, you have to think about, I'm going to have these jeans sitting around until I do my projects with them. I am not going to spend more than $5 per pair of jeans, and really, I would prefer to spend like $2. And that's honestly about what I usually spend on the jeans that I thrift. About $2 to $3. Listen, do not overpay for these jeans. That's critical. You can walk away. I don't care how fabulous the jeans are. And you're like, oh, I need this for a project. That's why it's so critical to always have jeans on hand. So you never run into a circumstance where you really need the jeans and you don't have them. Or you got to go pay an obscene price, over $3, for some jeans. That's all I got for you. Until next time, thanks for visiting the Glamour Shop.